Hello guys, welcome again to Daddy's Toy and Life channel. So today I will unbox Osmo Mobile 3 combo set from DJI. So we see what we have inside this combo set. Okay, first we will unbox this box and see what we have inside. So this is the Osmo Mobile 3. So that's all inside this casing or bag. Here we go. Over here is something that we can place or connect. It is a screw thread. So this is the item that you will get for Osmo Mobile 3 combo set. The comparison combo set and normal one is only the pouch bag over here or the casing bag, and then also the tripod. The other item is all the same. Okay guys, That's all for unbox the Osmo Mobile 3 combo set. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and see the next video I review the Osmo Mobile 3 function.